In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an image as a background in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or a flyer, knowing how to do this can make your work look professional and cohesive. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Canva and choose your design type or project dimensions. Once you've got your workspace set up, the next step is selecting the image you'd like to use as your background. You can either upload your own photo or select one from Canva's extensive image library. If you're uploading your own image, you simply click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Then drag and drop your file or click Upload to browse your files on your computer. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto your canvas. You might be thinking, how do I ensure that it exactly fills the entire background? Well, Canva has made this quite simple. Here's where the magic happens. Right click on the image you've placed onto your canvas. A context menu will pop up with a variety of options, but for this tutorial, the key option you're looking for is Set Image as Background. When you select this, Canva will automatically adjust your image to cover the entire background of your design canvas. This is a real time saver because it immediately positions the image without the need for manual resizing or cropping. A few things to keep in mind when setting an image as your background. You'll want to be sure your image is high resolution to maintain quality, especially in printed materials. Low res images might become pixelated when expanded to fit the canvas, and that's never a good look. Additionally, consider the central focus of your design. Sometimes setting an image as the background can overshadow text or other elements. A good tip is to adjust the transparency of your image or apply a filter to make text overlay more readable. Canva offers several easy to use tools right in the editor to help with this. Look for Adjust on the top toolbar to tweak brightness, contrast or transparency as needed. And that's it, you now know how to set an image as a background in Canva. This skill will undoubtedly enhance your design capabilities and save you time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!